How to share secret boards on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'm very excited to guide you through the process of creating and sharing a secret board on Pinterest. So secret boards are incredibly useful for a variety of purposes, such as planning a surprise party, compiling gift lists, or simply keeping your ideas private. Whatever you want to keep to yourself, the great thing is that the setting up a secret board is really easy. All you need to do is enable the keep it secret option. Click on this your profile in the top right corner and go to the secret tab. From here you can create fashion outfits, cute jewelry, art inspiration, and other more various options according to your board suggestions. You can see that I have created a secret board and archived it. But now I'd like to create a new secret board of Lana Del Rey. So I'm just going to click on create over here. Select the pins, and once you select it, click on create, that is highlighted in red color. Now go to the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and here you can edit the board. Simply go ahead, type in the name and the description for the board, and you can also upload a board cover if you like. Now go ahead and check this option of keep this board secret, so only you and your collaborators can see it. Check this box over here, and you can see this plus icon in the left of the screen. Simply tap on it to invite any collaborators you'd like to share this board with. Simply tap on it. You can search anyone by name or email from this box, and once they appear in your search results, go ahead and click on this invite option that is highlighted in red color. And once a person accepts your invite, he or she will be able to access your secret board and see all the content and activities on it. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can share secret boards on Pinterest. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.